The annual Behdienkhlam festival, celebrated by the Panar community in the town of Jowai, will take place from July 6th to 9th this year. Saint Raj Jowai President O.R. Shalom announced this to the media today, emphasizing that Behdienkhlam is a festival aimed at warding off diseases and invoking blessings for a bountiful harvest. The presence of the Meghalaya governor and other dignitaries will add to the grandeur of the celebration. Preparations for the festival began in January, and Shalom expressed optimism about the success of the festival. Doloi of Jowai Elaka Puramon Kinjing highlighted the importance of faith in God and the significance of the rituals performed during Behdienkhlam.
Ke Behdienkhlam kat kam ke jeng pekrek yang i wa kat kam yoluti wa kan ni kesnam uman ko ke Behdienkhlam ko he ko kemai na ka jeng laluti yang ke Saint Raj he wa lai di kentu ko su ya ki khon ki yang ka na do ko em hajuai ko long kam jo wa seselong kam jo wa kasang kasi keme le da wa li sementara yang ke